Welcome back, Nerd Nation, to Nerd Rage. Um, Happy Friday. We have more Greta Van Fleet. This is the last of two tracks that they released yesterday. They released all these last night. Uh, they just released a whole bunch of them at like once. So I'm just reacting to the rest of them today. And this is like the whole album. So the Cold Wind, and is not more an accurate title for a day in central Pennsylvania, if I do say so myself. Let's get into it. Okay. Digging the vibes. That's neat. That was good. I really like that one. That one was good. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. I'm tired. Um, yeah, that was really good. That one was amazing. Um, I have one more track for you. So, gonna go do that one. Until then, stay nerdy.